Welcome back to the show. We are on the topic of Isichitho sotwayi, or the curse breakup spell of allergies. We are still here with your guru, healer of the people, Kokovula Kundabaloyi, and we wanted to find out what this is. How can a person know that they are affected by this, and are there any visible symptoms?
The curse breakup spell of allergies. Twayi ngesizulu nesindebele seZimbabwe. Ukuluma komzimba. Right. This spell comes when people want to mess up your skin. When they want you to feel irritated by the itches, to feel the pain, if I may put it that way. Now, your skin will peel off. You will seem to have things like ringworms. Sasithi babethi Mbabazane. Ngesindebele. Ngesizulu bathi imbandama. It's a skin reactions that behave like eczema. Isichitho sotwayi ukuluma komzimba, ukuqothuka kwesikhumba sengathi uphashile nje, ngathi unokhwekhwe. Thola umuntu nje bamhlophe angathi unokhwekhwe. Kuyindlela abantu ababi nabathakathi abahlasela ngayo abantu. Ake ucabange nje lento mase kwenze ukuthi ikumile ebusweni. Inhlonso yalomuntu kube ukuthi ukubukeka kwakho kujike kube kubi ungabukeki. Mhlambe emntwini ongakuthanda. Esibike kakhulu lesichitho ngoba siyakwazi ukuthi sihlale ngaphakathi egazini bese siyacasha. Uhanjiswe ezibhedlela bekuchecka abelungu. You may be taken to hospital for a check-up. You find that the Western method and the tests to diagnose the problem in your body comes unclear. It doesn't tell what exactly you are suffering from. But at the end of the day, you are itching, your skin is itching, is peeling off. I don't want even to mention your sensitive areas, more especially on the neck and around your private parts. It attacks more of those areas because the attacker will have designed it to actually mess up with especially your relationship, your love life, so that those areas must be messed up so that you cannot do important things that are done in relationships.
Now, what in your experience has been the most severe case of Isichitho sotwayi?
In most cases, you will see people having marks on their bodies like they've been burnt by the iron. Some they come red, some they come black. It all depends on the mixture or the attack. Or it all depends on the response by your body. Bodies don't respond the same way. One will respond as in giving a red mark, one a black mark. It also depends on one's complexion. Are you dark or light? Yeah, these things, sometimes you find somebody being swollen, like there is a blood clot behind your skin, and it itches like hell. So I remember in Durban, there was this lady, Bonisiwe. She suffered this thing a lot, and I helped her. I remember in April 2000, I appeared on Bona magazine. I had helped that Bonisiwe with the very same allergies. And I remember a certain man in Messina, I posted his photos on Facebook. Sometimes Facebook would even block my Facebook account for showing such photos because they were ugly. His skin was peeling off like a snake, like after those allergies. You find that where he's sitting, you'll find those, what you call cavings, like shells, like that tiny thin skin of a snake when it has peeled off. So people are very dangerous. You know, witches are scientists more than scientists. They formulate things that will destroy the human body permanently if it is not attended. And it is all spiritual. the Western doctors, sometimes they can't do nothing about it.
Do you believe that traditional medicine and its contents be integrated into the school's curriculum?
Our videos are a true example of that question that you have asked. It is so much of my wish that people learn, especially in the African soils. If I can tell you, if you will go to places like Saudi Arabia in the Arab world, if you go to places like Israel, Palestine, if you go to some Hebrew countries, their religion is taught at school. If you come to Africa again and you see the mind of the colonizer, these guys who colonized our minds, our brains, and our spirituality, that we lost our identity and wanted to be them other than us. They did this by introducing a prayer at school before you start anything. Scriptures are taught at school. But when you come to African religions and belief and methodologies of medicine and basic medicine, it's not taught because it is looked upon as inferior or looked down upon. But if you look at the Western things, you have got the Red Cross. People are taught basic ways of attending to a situation when a person is either sick or something emergency has happened that needs an emergency attention. That is the basic in helping somebody when something has occurred that tampers with the life and the body. So it is so much of my wish that these things are introduced in schools. People are taught, even traditional dance have got to be taught at school or practiced at school, so that children grow up aligned or attached to their original ways of living in their native systems in spirituality.
Babu kokovula kundabaloyi. Ngabe isichitho sotwayi yinto owamane wavuka nje ukwazi ukuthi uyelaphe emntwini, noma yinto mhlambe oyitholele iziqu, noma yinto nje emane yafika nje mhlambe, noma khona la iphuma khona?
Uyabona masikhuluma ngokwelapha nje kukodwa, ngicabanga ngithe mvela nami ngikhula ngabona ngigida into zamadlozi, ngikuzo lezi zinto zokwelapha. Angivele nje kuthiwe ngumuntu osehambe wafunda kusibanibani ukwenza izinto. Mina izinto ngiyaziphiwa, ngiyaziphushiswa. Abantu abayiba abangiholayo kule ndaba yokwelapha kwami yibo ngokwabo amadlozi, amathongo la ayiwo engisebenza ngawo kulento. Isichitho sotwayi lesi ngiye ngaphiwa indlela zokusilapha ukuthi yini umuntu okumele ayisebenzise ukuze kuphele ukuluma. Sibi lesi sichitho sotwayi ngoba sidla ngaphakathi sidle ngaphandle. Ma ulunywa ngaphandle esikhumbeni kuchaza khona ukuthi lento ikhona nangaphakathi iyakudla. Yila othola khona umuntu sewondile phelile imudle lento, ma eya ezibhedlela uzozwa ukuthi hayi usene cancer yesikhumba, hayi une cancer nje egazi. Kuningi nje ngakho esasikubone uzwabelungu bedaya uselapheki usune cancer. I-cancer eningi nje ibuthakathi ibuloyi sukuthakathiwe nje, hayi ukuthi kuthiwa ngoba mhlambe kusuka kuyi-cancer. Angenqabi ukuthi i-cancer ikhona, kodwa abathakathi bayabuka izifo ezikhona bese befika bona bekhanda esabo esidlulele ngaloko okuzobe kukhona. Uthola umuntu ezinwaya elunywa kwenye indawo kube ngathi ushisiwe, amabala benebala elibomvu benebala elimnyama. Abanye utholela emqaleni nje benemimbandama igcwele emqaleni. Lento iqale ngaphakathi. Ma esetshenzwa kumele abe nemithi ayidlayo ngaphakathi, bese kusiba nemithi ageza ngayo ngaphandle, bese kusiba namafutha thizeni awagcobayo. Kodwa ke ngokombuzo mina imithi nendlela yokusiza abantu ngiyayiphiwa, ngiyayiphupha, ngiyayinikezwa, ngiyayicela futhi kubantu abadala. Angilaphi ngesikhwama sikagogo ngoba isikhwama sikagogo sinemithi eyayisebenza isiza kuleso sikhathi kulezo zifo zaleso sikhathi sizokwenza njani ngezintsha ngoba abathakathi behlala besungula nje into ezintsha ngaloko ke ngiyangicela mina ukuthi nginikezwe imithi emisha ehambisana nendlela ezintsha zabathakathi zokulimaza bahleli nje bengincedile bengiphile lokho ike amandla ami nokwehluka kwami kubantu abaningi nezinyanganyana nabaprofeti kulapho.
Bob Kokovula can be contacted at kokovula@gmail.com. His phone number being +27730373093, and the second number available here is +27638111178. That's +2763811.
Sayibona